Here I have POCO F4, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes, select slow motion, and that's how you can easily record videos in slow motion. So let's record something. I don't know, I'm gonna roll this toilet paper in slow-mo. So here we go. So let's roll. Okay, and now let's see how it looks in slow-mo. You may think it will look silly, but I assure you this will look cool, really cool. Just look at it. Whoa, whoa! It's a toilet paper rolling in slow-mo. So yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.